Here I did open Revit software, and for scan data I will go to location. This is the location of scan data. You guys can see here, this is a RCP file we are using to link into the project. I will link this file into our project. Once again, I will go to Revit software. To start a new project, you have to open a new model file. Here I will select new. When you open a new project, it will ask for a project template. Here, if I click on drop down, it will show several templates are there. If you are modeling with architecture, you have to select architectural template. If you are modeling with mechanical, you have to select mechanical template. If you want more template, you can go here, browse button. You can browse more template from here. This option we will use in the case of what type of unit you are using in project. If client asks for imperial, you have to use imperial templates. If client asks for metric, we have to use metric template. These are the metric template. You can see default metric here. If you want imperial, you have to select imperial, and these are the imperial template. I will do open both and I will show how those file will work. If I select imperial here, and I will select default imperial, and I'll click on default, and I will open the file, and I'll click on OK. Now I did open a file, so we selected imperial, right? I'll go to any elevation view, and you guys can see here it is in feet and inches because we selected imperial file. If I open metric, I'll close this one, and once again I'll open a new project file. Again I'll go to browse here, and this time I'll select metric. This is metric default, and I'll click on OK. Once again I will hit OK. Now we opened with a metric template. I will go to any one of elevation view. Here I'll go to south. You can see here it is in mm. Otherwise you can check unit also by clicking UN in your keyboard. You guys can see here length, it is in mm, and I'll go to level 1. Now we opened a new project, right? Now I will show how to load point load and set up the project. For that one I'll go to here, manage tab is there. Under manage tab, here manage link option is there because we are linking our RCP file into project. In older version like Revit 2013 and prior to that, we are importing scan data into the project. That was causing increase in size of the project file. Due to importing, that was making file slower. In later versions, now we are using link method, manage link method. Under manage link here, so many options are there. If you are linking a Revit file, you can use Revit link here. If you are linking CAD file, you can use CAD link here. Similarly here point load is there. You can use PDF file also, image also, and topography. But now we are linking point load. I will use point load here. When I click on point load, here it will ask for a, here nothing was showing because we didn't load anything. It's a new file. Here add option is there. Remaining all the options are fade out. So only add-on option is active. So I will click on add-on. So directly it took location of RCP file. This file you are using BG server room. I will select this file. Here positioning I will give shared by coordinate, and I will click on OK. Now you can see here file got linked to project, and I will click on OK. Now you guys can see point load came into our project. Similarly, if you want to remove this point load, again go to manage link and go to under point load and select this one and unload this one. If you unload this one, only just get unload, but file location will be there. You can reload again. If you remove this one, permanently it will get deleted. If I unload here, you can see it's not loaded. I'll click on OK. Point load won't show. Again I'll go to manage link and I'll select point load, select this file and reload. So again it got loaded. So you guys can see this is our point load. Once again I go to south elevation. So it's showing exactly from level 1 to level 2, and I will select the point load and I will pin this one. I pin this file to avoid movement of this data, and I'll go to 3D here. You guys can see this is a scan data. I'll just select data and I will apply section box. If you are okay with this color, you can use this color. If you are not okay, you can change the color also. This is in RGB now. If you want to change color of the point load, just go to here view, and under view you have to select visibility graphics or select double V on your keyboard. You will get, this is a shortcut, you will get this visibility graphics bar. Here in visibility graphics panel, you will get here at the end point load. You can see here color mode is RGB. If you want to change, you can change it. You can change it to single color, intensity or normal. I'll just select normal and I'll click on OK. Once again I'll give apply. OK, light color will get changed. This is a section box. It will control geometry in 3D view. If I move this one, you can see here this much data won't show. If I go middle, you can see here, so middle element will visible.